Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw the Earth wearing a mask. So let's get started. To draw the Earth, I'm going to use this bowl right here as my circle template because I'm drawing pretty big and it's just going to be a lot easier, right? To just draw a circle. So let's come in here and I'm just going to trace my bowl right here. Now that we have the circle drawn in, let's go ahead and draw the mask. So I'm just going to start, say, about right here. And I'm going to use this as my point because the mask is pretty big. We're just going to, well, the mask is just going to be kind of half of the Earth right here. So let's come about right here. And towards the center, I'm going to go up. So about right here, I'm going to go up a little bit with my curve and then come right back down to the other side. Then from there, I'm going to start in this area right here, just round it off slightly and bring it down. So same thing over here. And then I'm just going to bring this all the way down. About right there. And same thing on this side. About right there. And then I'm going to go ahead and connect it. There. So we have a general shape for our mask in, and then now let's draw the straps. So right here in this corner, I'm just going to come out with a curve. And same thing over here. So we're just going to curve. And at the bottom, also in this corner area, curve it. And same thing here. There. Okay, so we have the mask in now. Let's bring it to life. So we're going to come above the mask, not too far away, just about, say about right here. I'm going to draw a big circle for the eyes. So very close to the mask. And let's come to the other side and draw another circle. So I'm going to start right here because I want to make sure it's close to our mask. Oh, today my hands are not working. Okay, so then let's make them draw so cute eyes. So 2 small circles inside for highlights and curve line at the bottom and shade in the top. And the lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. So thank you for all your love for the drawings I've done for this coronavirus pandemic that we're all going through right now. So hopefully you're loving these drawings and it's inspiring you to draw them too, and you just bring a smile to your day now that we're all kind of quarantined at home. Okay, so we have the eyes in. Now let's draw a curve above the eye. And then now let's come over to the sides and we're going to draw the arms for our Earth. So I'm going to come right here where you have your strap. And I'm going to bring in the curve towards this area. So let's start with this side. Just a curve and bring it all the way to about right here. This area. And so same thing over here. Once again, curve. And we're going to meet. So curve it in. And I'm going to stop about right there. And so on this side, I'm going to draw the hand. So it's always kind of forming that kind of like a heart shape. And the other side. So I'm just going to do the same thing right next to it so I make sure. And then I can just, whatever space I have left, I can just connect it. And then inside, well, you know what? Sorry, let me come in here and thicken this up first. And then inside right here, let's draw a small heart. And I'm just going to come in here and thicken up my arms. And then now that that's done, let's go ahead and make it look like the earth. This could be like an emoji. If you want it to be an emoji, just color this all yellow. But if you want it to be the earth, let's come in here and just draw some land. So just have fun with this part. It doesn't matter at all. Just wobble some shapes around. So say maybe come out about right here. We're going to have maybe one over here. And then right here, we're just filling in the spaces. And we can tuck one in right here. And maybe one here. So there, hope you love how this drawing turned out, and I really hope this drawing inspires you to spread love and be kind to each other so that we can all help the earth and this pandemic. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.